Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can enable or enter the developer options in your Realme devices. So right now I'm using Realme 3 Pro. So you need to go to your settings. After that you need to scroll all the way down until about phone. Click on about phone. After that you need to click on version. After that you will be seeing build number. Click almost 7 times to enter the developer options. Now enter the password, and now we are in developer options. So you need to go back, then enter additional settings. After that you will be seeing developer options here. Now as you can see, I can access all the developer options. Now if you want to use this mode, then you can use it and bring about changes in your mobile phone. That's all. It was very easy. And if you want to know more about Android tricks, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.